His Excellency, respected Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Vidyasagar ji, Honorable Minister Prashad ji, Shri Shinde Saab, आदरणीय अमित जी, सुबिरामी जी, दूध साहब, श्रीमती प्रमीला चोपड़ा जी, सिमी जी, अनु जी, अग्रवाल जी और यहाँ उपस्थित सभी को जयप्रदा का नमस्कार। आज मुझे बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मैं इस तरह के जो मंच पर मुझे भी कुछ बोलने के लिए मौका दिया गया है। भारत ने हमेशा हर क्षेत्र में ऐसे हस्तियों को जन्म दिया है जिन्होंने अपना और अपने देश का नाम ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने के काम किया है। ऐसे ही एसजी हमारे इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक पिलर की तरह है। उनके साथ काम करना एक सपना था। उनके हर फिल्म को देखकर लोग सदियों तक याद करने वाले फिल्म्स बनाए हैं। हमारे इंडस्ट्री के आइकॉन आदरणीय अमित जी भी वैसे हैं। अमित जी के साथ काम करना एक सपना था। मुझे वो मौका मिला। I could do a few wonderful movies with him. And I learned so much from him. Discipline and commitment and determination. आज अमित जी के साथ सारे फिल्म्स लोग बनाते हैं, लेकिन अमित जी और एस जी का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो यूनिक है। अमित जी और एस जी प्रोड्यूसर से ज्यादा, डायरेक्टर से ज्यादा अमित जी हमेशा एक दोस्त के नाते, एक भाई के नाते उनके साथ रहे हैं। आज अमित जी, एस जी हमारे साथ नहीं है, लेकिन श्रीमती प्रमीला चोपड़ा जी, अमित जी, उनके फिल्म्स, उनके गाने हमेशा हमारे लिए यादें रखेंगे। आज ऐसा लगता है जब एसजी पे फिल्म्स बनाते हैं तो एसजी के मन में ऐसा लगता होगा कि अमित जी के बगैर अगर फिल्म करते हैं तो अधूरा लगता होगा। मैं एसजी को, अमित जी को भी मैं सलाम करती हूँ। आज इस अवार्ड के लिए अमित जी को चुना गया है। मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूं हमारे सुब्बीरामी रेड्डी जी को। वो कला बंधु है, स्नेह के लिए प्रतीक है। वो दुनिया के लिए और स्नेह के लिए, कला के लिए वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। इसीलिए एक वरिष्ठ नेता, बहुत बड़ा उद्योगपति होने के बावजूद मुंबई में आके अमित जी को एक्सेप्टेंस देने के बाद आज इस अवार्ड को अमित जी को नवाजा गया है। ये बहुत बहुत अच्छा और बहुत ही सुंदर मौका है हमारे लिए। मैं अमित जी को बधाई देती हूँ। असली हकदार आप हैं, इसलिए आपको इस एसजी का अवार्ड से नवाजा जा रहा है। बहुत बहुत बधाई सर। और मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं सुब्बीरामी रेड्डी जी के बगैर, अगर वो नहीं सोचते तो मैं यहाँ नहीं आ पाती, लेकिन उनके प्यार और उनके स्नेह मुझे यहाँ लाया है। उनके लिए भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
For that introduction. It's wonderful that people say that behind every successful man there is a woman, and I think the woman must be very proud of that. But I can tell you very honestly that my only contribution to Yash's success was that I never stopped him from doing what he wanted to do. I never asked him to get involved with the household or the children or anybody, and he was left free to do what he wanted. It's wonderful to be the wife of a man who is recognized all over the world almost, and it gives me a great sense of pride, which he never had. He was one of the humblest people that I knew, and he used to always get surprised when he goes to get an honor or an award. And I used to just smile when he used to say, "Do I really deserve this?" Anyway, and I feel very, very proud to be his wife and to be the holder of his heritage. And all those people whom he worked with, to be able to count them as my friends because of the fact that they worked with my husband. And out of that person, out of that whole lot of people, there's Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who was literally probably the one that he worked with the most and the one that he enjoyed working with the most. And there have been many evenings when Amit and Jaya would come over. We would be discussing music or the script of a current film that was due to be shot. And those were wonderful evenings. That was a different style of filmmaking, which Yash used to encourage and used to really enjoy. I think today's award is the most well-deserved award that we could give as a memory of Yash and Amitabh together. And for this, I would like to thank Mr. Subbaram Reddy that he thought of this. This is the culmination of his friendship with Yash. And I really appreciate it and thank him from the bottom of my heart.
भारत की विशेषता यही है कि हम क्रिसमस, ईद और दिवाली सब साथ में सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं और सबको बधाई देते हैं। आज एक दूसरा भी अवसर है। आज मैं सुबह अटल जी के पास था, क्योंकि आज अटल जी का भी जन्मदिन है और कल ही घोषणा हुई है।
Sri Prakash Javadekar ji, Honorable Minister for Environment and Forest, my esteemed friend and Member of Parliament, Sri Subbaram Reddy ji, Sri Sushil Kumar Shinde ji, former Union Minister, members of the selection jury, Simi Grewal ji, Srimati Pamela Yash Chopra ji, the superstar today's evening, Sri Amitabh Bachchan ji, and dear friends. It is 4 months since I took charge as Governor of Maharashtra. I had an opportunity of moving to a number of places, including the tribal and remote areas. I had a number of meetings. Fortunately, Prime Minister and President of India, Vice President of India, they were also here. We all together moved in almost all the places, important places. But today's meeting, it is unique. On the dais and in the audience, most of the luminaries of the Maharashtra, and this meeting is studded with the stars. I'm immensely happy amidst you in this evening. I have known Dr. Subbaram Reddy ji for several years. Wherever Subbaram Reddy does anything, it has to be grand and with a touch of class. Dr. Subbaram Reddy is a multifaceted personality. He is an industrialist, he is a politician, he is a filmmaker, accepted film actor. He did all things which are required for the film industry. Just now I was speaking Is he going to act in films? I don't know what will happen to it. But definitely we'll see it runs 100 days. I am on that also he will do. There could have not, today, I'm sorry to mention so many things about the films, because when I started to come over here, my secretariat, governor's secretariat, they prepared a huge voluminous speech for me. When my ADC was putting here, it's a voluminous. Because my officers were also thrilled in governor's secretariat. Every officer wanted to add 10 more pages to it. Ultimately, it has become voluminous. And if I go through entire speech, we will miss the dinner definitely. Therefore, I only 1 minute I will take and conclude the. Few days back, I had an opportunity to meet Mr. Our brand ambassador, Abhishek Bachchan ji. It was very good, and we are planning many programs, as our Prakash Javadekar ji just now told. Prime Minister is very much concerned in Hyderabad here, and we are having. But for the first time, I am seeing our Amitabh Bachchan ji nearby. The late Yash Chopra, whose name this award bears, was a beautiful dream to have happen to Bollywood. Yash Chopra ji was one of the finest and most successful directors, producers, and scriptwriter the Indian film industry has produced during the last century. See, Amitabh Bachchan ji has worked with late Yash Chopra ji very closely, and it is only appropriate that the Yash Chopra Memorial National Award is being presented to him. I wonder if there is any actor on this planet who has ruled over the hearts of millions of people, cutting across the boundaries of country